Doon na tayo, ma'am.
Then nang abot taga US to first timer?
Yes, ma'am. May mga first-timer from all over the world. Oo.
Ano na tayo dito no United Nations?
Yes, correct,
Hello,
ma'am.
magandang hapon.
Oo. Thank you, ma'am.
Good to see you. Oh my God, I'm so emotional.
Chicago, America pa sila, ma'am.
UK kami.
Mga 2 days ago,
Oh, okay.
Panomic tulip.
Wala naman tulips, no?
Napagamay, ma'am.
Sabado,
Napagamay. Oh.
Kami na kukuan na sila. Goodbye na.
Pwede ka sa Tulip Barn, ma'am. But mostly sa Coconhof, murag wala.
Pero I think that this week is the last. Yeah. Kanina kasi na
Yes, andito na po si VP Inday, mga kababayan. Ang future president ng Philippines. Na hindi... Agaray sa
Fortune teller.
fortune teller. Na dili gyud madutlan, guys. Oo.
Itatak niya dyan ang
Gino.
Ipandot lang ang pulot.
Nice imong hair color, VP.
Oh, thank you.
Mm.
No, I just have to say.
Oh.
Gibalit na ako na diri. Ang kanina hair color.
Sa CloudVat ba?
Oh, yeah. Buy one, take one.
Mm.
Oh. Number 6 ni sa L'Oreal.
Mm. Ikaw na po yung nag-apply.
Dili. Pa-apply na ako siya sa kailan ako sa Manila. Pero, di rin ako ito gipalit.
Yan.
Mas gwapo ang hair dye di rin, no?
Mm.
Kontra sa Pilipinas na available na dye.
Correct, ma'am. Kay
Pero ang ako ang amigo ang nagpili ani sa color.
lipotik kag maayo, VP.
Ano siya? 6 to 6.5 sa L'Oreal.
Correct.
Oh, nindot ang buwan sa bayo.
No, di rin, no?
Correct.
Dikit ang iyang color.
Guys, siya ra gyud ang politically persecute, no? Radiant gihapon.
Mga Japon hair dye gihapon.
Correct. Correct. Yan, guys. Oh,
Naka-live ka?
yes, ma'am.
Hi,
Ayan.
Ma'am Laika.
My future president, good ka, VP.
God bless you too, Ma'am Wei. Salamat, Ma'am Isabel. Uy, kabuha pa daw ni mo, Alvin.
Ikaw, mong good. Clear, ma'am. Ayan si VP, guys. Kasama niya si Kateki. Ako si Katuku. Ako si Katuku. Ayan. Si VP Inday, guys. Lumalaban pa rin. Hello. Hello, VP from Ireland. Go, right. Marami mga tao, guys, na from all over the world. Nandito din sila. Ngayon, kamusta po? Lumalaban pa rin. Oh. Lumalaban pa din si VP, guys. Bakit hindi? Ayan. Kasama. Ayan.
Hello.
Dito po namin mamimit sa ibang bayan. Kondo Philippines kami, nag-tour lang kami dito. From Bulacan. From Bulacan. Our friends here, our mayor.
Mayor 30 po. Nabaliwag Bulacan.
Ang ganda ni Vivi, ang ganda.
She's the vice president of the Philippines.
Yung campaign. Yes. Maraming salamat sa tulong.
Balik ka daw.
Apo.
Philippines
Salamat.
Thank you. Ma'am, mag-interview muna tayo kay VP, ma'am. Mamaya na po yung picture, guys. Mag-interview muna tayo, guys. Ma'am, pwede dito ka, ma'am, para maganda yung angle, ma'am. Thank you. Itaas ang camera, guys. Wag ibaba. Of course. Correct. VP Inday, welcome back to the Netherlands. Magandang araw po sa inyo. How are you today?
Thank you. I wouldn't say I'm happy to be back because of the situation of President Duterte, but I'm happy to see all of you again. And happy springtime sa inyong lahat. I am very well and okay.
Thank you, VP. On behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, welcome back and we're glad to see you again.
Yes. I'm happy to see first-timers as well.
Yes. From you,
First-timers in the Netherlands, ma'am, no?
Yes. But we're here actually last year.
Yeah.
First time.
We bring some cakes.
No, birthday si Tatay.
Oh, salamat. And I think malaki din yung celebration nitong nakaraang March 28
Yes.
para kay President Duterte. So, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga Filipinos overseas na pumunta dito sa Hague noong March 28 para mag-celebrate dito sa Duterte Street and mag-celebrate din dun sa Maribel Park. So, thank you sa inyo.
Thank you, VP Inday.
Next birthday will be the Philippines.
Yes, we always pray for that.
Yes.
Halos araw-araw yung dasal na sana ay makauwi na si President.
Doon naman kami uwi.
Yes.
VP Inday.
Sobrang, ma'am. Sobrang ganda ni VP.
Thank you, ma'am.
Magastos.
VP Inday, how was your visit with PRRD after a while, ma'am, of not seeing him?
Okay lang naman. He looks well. He looks healthy. And wala naman siyang mga problema. I suggested na magpa-physical therapy siya. But he refused na mag-physiotherapy. So, we'll see tomorrow kung makumbinsin natin siya na magpaan-physiotherapy in lieu of his supposed dapat everyday exercise.
Yes. VP, what is your initial reaction when the jurisdiction was established, decided by the appeals chamber, ma'am?
Well, I accepted it as it is. Discussion na rin naman namin yun ng mga abogado, no? Na we don't see any way that the ICC will let go of the case of President Duterte since isa na lang ito sa dalawa na ICC cases, no? So we don't think na they will let this go.
Is it the same sentiment, VP, with respect doon sa confirmation of charges? Okay.
Same lang. This will really go to trial and the best way to move forward is to prepare for trial.
VP Inday, the burning question is that how do you maintain such a vibrant and very beautiful vibe amidst all the persecution done to you by your detractors?
No comment. Sabi ko naman.
No, I've always been
Your heart is
like
pure,
this.
baby.
Yeah, so, even before I was vice president, and naging vice president ako, and I don't see na magbabago yung disposition ko because of a few problems here and there. Sabi ko nga lagi, di ba noon, na parang tipong ang pinaka problema lang ng isang tao is magkasakit or mamatay because death is the ending and then disease or sickness is going towards the ending.
VP, just to be political also, what is your position? A lot of people, especially individuals na talagang gusto kang ma-impeach, are already spreading statements sa social media or sa mainstream media that you will be impeached and there will be impeachment sa Senate against you.
Kung ordinary individuals lang naman yan, like ordinary Filipinos, bayaan na natin yan. No? Kasi yan naman yung opinion nila, yan naman yung damdamin nila, hindi mo nararamdaman ng isang tao. But it is different siguro kapag congressman na yung nagsasabi or senator na yung nagsasabi. Kasi magtatanong ka, bakit sobrang sigurado ka na
Yes.
tapos na ito?
I was about to ask VP because Representative Ridon actually even made mention in an interview that you're very clear na talaga that there will be 106 votes which is required for the articles of impeachment na ma-endorse doon sa Senate.
Oh, well, yung makakomment sa kanyang mga nalalaman kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung alam niya si Kirin.
Okay. VP Inday, just to conclude this interview, VP, no, para siguro jet lag ka pa.
Wala, okay lang.
Okay lang. VP, what's
Ako ng maayos.
okay. VP, what's your message to the undying, unwavering love and support to the former president and to the Duterte family, to you and your siblings as well?
Yes, oo. Undying din yung pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin. In fact, kanina, as you mentioned, to bring the message to him, sabi mo, hindi kayo susuko. So, pinaabot ko din sa kanya, sabi ko, nagsabi sila na hindi sila susuko. At sabi niya na sumuko na daw kayo.
No, never. Surrender.
Hindi mo alam kung joke yun or hindi. But,
We traveled miles away for him.
for PRD, I would take it as a joke. And of course, ako personally, yung lakas ko lang talaga galing talaga sa mga tao.
Thank you, Mr.
Sa totoo lang, iniwan na siguro ako lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na politiko, pero hindi ako
Don't worry.
ng mga
Correct,
It's
VP.
only in politics, but we are here for you,
Correct, VP.
no matter what.
VP, another statement coming from perhaps sentiments by the Filipinos. Are you ready to become the next president of the Philippines?
Yes!
I'm already a presumptive candidate because I declared my intention to run for the next presidential elections. We can only pray that there will be a presidential elections on 2028 and it will be honest, orderly, and
Yes, yes.
On behalf of the Filipino VP, mabuhay ka, mahal ka namin at asahan mo ang suporta namin. Duterte! Mabuhay ka, VP. Oh, yan. No gift policy lagi. No gift gang. No gift policy lagi gang. Bukas ka. Bukas. Bukas ta, sol. Mamaya. Dito.
Please, first timer muna. Kami muna mga first timer muna.
Hindi ko pala nasabi. Nilabat mo to. Bukas talaga. Parang hindi na siya bukas na. Sige na. Sila? Thank you.
Ana, bitin.
Kay Attorney Dino. Dito pa. O sige, perfect. Ready? Perfect, sir. Ayan. Dito, sir. Dito ang exit, sir. Thank you, sir. Ayan. Agay, Chicago. I've been to Chicago. Jarot. Labita, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ayan. Ako ma-picture, ma'am. Para paspas tagang. Ayan.
salamat sa inyong mga
Pasok ka dito.
Oo. Pagod ako ang pasalamat sa mga kababayan.
Sila sa
Gwapa, no? Mama, og may kagwapa kang sorry ka. Oh. Thank you. Dito ka. Dito ka, ma'am. Dito ka, ma'am. Ah, lang. Isa-isa mo na, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Mabuhay ka, ma'am. Okay din na, ma'am. Bilis, ma'am. Oh, kuha na, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Go. Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. Dito ka, ma'am. Dito ka, ma'am. Dito ka, ma'am. Oh, lagi. Relax. Oh, of course, blue, ma'am. Blue, ma'am. Ay, pataas, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Baliktad, ma'am. Yan. Yan. Thank you. Perfect, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, later, ma'am. Ay, group na kayo? Ako na, ma'am. Dali na, ma'am. Go na. Perfect na. No problem, ma'am. Okay na. Hala, can't use ang storage, ma'am. Na wrong na imo storage. Ang pikas, imuha, ma'am. Bika ni kaya. Oh. No problem, ma'am. Basta ka mo. Di lagi pwede mag... No gift pala sila. Later na. Ha? Hala ka. Ma'am, kaisa mo kay imong friend kaya nag-picture pag isa ka cellphone. Agoy, ginoo ko, Lord. Thank you, ma'am.
Will you come to the UK? You're welcome. Thank you, mga kala.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Si daughter mo na. Dito, ma'am. Thank you. Ay, ikaw, ma'am? O, tapos naman, ma'am.
Tapos kami naman.
O, na-picture ko siya, hindi na video, ma'am. Ah, dito mo na lang ikuan, ma'am, sa live ko. O, sige, ma'am, no problem, ma'am. Yan, perfect. Yan. Perfect, ma'am. O, sige, ma'am.
Okay.
Yan, perfect. Ay, sorry. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Ay, dito, sir. Dito, sir. Dito, sir. Dito, sir. Perfect po. Thank you, ma'am. Mabuhay po kayo, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Huwag muna kayo umalis, ma'am. Kaya mag-group picture tayo mamaya. Ang picture, gang. Haman ang picture. Sir.
Asan ang cellphone niya? Kuya, saan yung picture mo?
Cebu. Ang picture niya, ma'am. Ako, ma'am. Ako, ma'am, Bem. Ako na. Ito na, sir. Dito na, sir. Okay na.
May new visitors
Thank
tayo.
you, ma'am. Oh.
New visitors.
Ilahi kang. Sige. Sige, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. Basta ikaw. Ay problema, ma'am. Dalay ko ang Diyos.
Muli yung usan.
Oh, later, ma'am. Later. Ito, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am. Gang, ismag dito gamay. Gang, kaya maklaro ka sa video niya. Perfect, ma'am. You're welcome, ma'am. Mabuhay kayo, ma'am. No problem. Perfect naman.
Yesterday, as job I don't know what the
Grotemark?
There's a new Star Wars
Shop.
So that's what everyone is lining up for. Star Wars. Yesterday, he lined up today. He wants like your signature. That's why
Ito daw? Taga dito. Taga dito.
Ini, superma sila.
Later na, ma'am. Later. Ayaw, di pwede ang flag formahan.
Sige na, ikaw na magbigay. Ikaw, no? Magpila ka, magpapicture ka dito. Sige na, from the 30 speed. Alis atin.
Ilan na lang ko. Sige, picture ko lang.
Tato yung bitaw ko ron. So itong flowers are from the 30 speed. Ini ko, dating sa kanila.
Dito, dito. Alam. Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. No gift. Wait lang. Kani yung picture sa iya? Dari ang. Yeah. Thank you. Nice. Sige na nga.
Sabihin ko from the 30th Street nila. Mamote! 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 The 30th Street dog. From the 30th Street muna ako. Yeah, from the 30th Street. Linya sa tutuway din. Welcome flowers. Sige lang kayo.
Sorry, ma'am. Ay, si ate man dahil. Aga-utra. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sino yung bago, ma'am? Oh. Thank you. From Maynila. Thank you po. Perfect.